So welcome back, guys. In this video I want to teach you how to use a very interesting function in Excel called match. Now if you're like me, you'd probably find that the match function is one of those functions that when you first learn how to use it, it leaves you asking yourself, how am I going to put this into application inside of Excel? It just seems sort of pointless when you first learn it. But the thing is, the match function can be combined with other functions in Excel to do some really cool and powerful stuff. And in the next video, we're going to demonstrate how the match function can be combined with VLOOKUP to perform very powerful and dynamic lookups in a way that VLOOKUP on its own could not accomplish. So firstly, what does the match function do? Well, basically, what the match function does is it provides you with the position of an item inside of an array of cells. So, as you can see here, I have a list of fruits here in the array of cells from B4 all the way to F4. What I want to do is use the match function to find the position of this fruit, grapes, inside of this array of cells. So to do that, I'll click here, I'll type equal match. My lookup value is going to be the fruit. This is the item that I want the position for. And my lookup array is going to be this array of cells here. So I'm looking for the position of grapes, that's the lookup value, inside of this array of cells here, B4 to F4. Let's include a comma. The last argument is the match type, and as is the case with VLOOKUP, you can either search for an exact match or an approximate match. If you press 1 or -1, those are going to search for approximate matches. We're not concerned about that. We're concerned about using the exact match for this course. So we're going to type 0 and we're going to include a closing parenthesis. And now if we click enter, we get the position of the fruit grapes. If we were to type bananas, we get the position of bananas. If we typed oranges, we get the position of oranges. So very simple. That's what the match function does. Again, you may be wondering, how am I going to apply this inside of Excel? Stay tuned. You're going to learn that in the next video. So I'll see you soon.